In this video, I will show you how to transfer your buying power to your bank account in Robinhood. So you can see here my buying power, I have about 3 euros, but there is no withdrawal button here. If you want to go and withdraw this, then this is the perfect video for you. Now first you need to make sure that it is withdrawable. So first it needs to be settled cash, so deposits that have been cleared, stock sale proceeds older than 2 trading days are withdrawable. Now the unsettled funds such as recent stock sales or crypto trades must wait for settlement, which can take 2 trading days. Instant deposit funds, so Robinhood fronted you cash before your bank transfer cleared, that you cannot withdraw until the deposit settles. But you can really easily just check if it's withdrawable by going to your account section in the bottom right and then clicking on transfer or transfer money. From there, under available to withdraw, you will see how much you have available to withdraw. If it's available currently, click on withdraw, and then here you can choose how much you want to withdraw. From there, click review, and then just click withdraw. And now that money is going to be withdrawn to the bank account that I have used to make a deposit before. So you will see that now my buying power is 0. So that's how to transfer your buying power to a bank in Robinhood. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.